3.5 cups of flour, all purpose. 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
All right. Not baking soda.
Not baking soda. 2 teaspoons baking, 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
All right.
Do 3/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Kind of give it some warmth. There we go. And 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt.
Okay.
Super simple. Mix that all together, our dry ingredients. This is just one of those recipes with everything that you have in the house. Super simple, but so delicious. 1 cup of butter, room temperature. That's 2 sticks of butter. 1.5 cups of white sugar.
There you go.
Makes the medicine go down, am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And we blend these together. So then I'm gonna add 4 eggs, but I'm only gonna add 1 at a time, just like that. And then blend it together.
Oh,
Just 1.
just one.
Last one. Two teaspoons of vanilla extract. Yum. My secret ingredient, 2 scoops of Greek yogurt.
Okay, I trust you.
Do you trust me? So we got our dry ingredients in 1 cup of buttermilk, and I'm gonna alternate mixing them in. A little bit of this. All right, and pour this dough. It's pretty thick. Look at that.
I've never seen batter this thick.
Because this is like a donut, buttermilk donut cake. So I'm really excited to see how this is going to turn out. I'm spinning it in our pan.
This is like the world's biggest donut.
Seriously. Our big old donut cake is going in at 350 for 50 minutes. See ya. Alrighty, let's take a look. Wow. It looks like an old-fashioned donut.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. Oh. There we go. Bada boom, bada bing. Look at that.
That looks beautiful.
2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Ooh, that is not a good fun sound. Do a little splash of vanilla. Just a little splash of milk here. Teeny tiny. I'm just gonna pour this. Make it really look like a old-fashioned donut. Yummy.
Look at that. Perfect.
Crispy outer crust. Just like a donut. What do you think?
I want to see what it looks like on the inside. Wow, that is thick.
Can you smell that?
Smells good.
Yum.
Bone apple teeth.
It really does smell like a baked donut.